What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this episode, we have a very basic tool to review for you. This is called the Back Butter Buddy, created by Phil Green, who has been setting tile for over, kid you not, 50 years. Now, he sent this out to me. I wasn't quite sure if it was something that we were going to use much during our installation of shower or flooring, but I have to admit, I use this for 90% of the tiles. It impressed me. It was something so simple to help speed up the process of installing tile. Back buttering your tile to install your tile. So what we're going to do is show you this in use for a shower remodel, a bathroom floor, as well as a 180 square foot kitchen. So without further ado, let's roll the clips. Here we go. You can use your Back Butter Buddy to cap off your 5-gallon bucket when you head out to lunch so that your thin set does not dry out. Or use the Back Butter Buddy as a seat while you enjoy your lunch. Here we are, guys, installing a fairly large floor in the kitchen here with our 17 by 20 hex tiles. Busting out our Back Butter Buddy here so that we can stack all of our tiles up and quickly and easily back butter for our full coverage. And the Back Butter Buddy can support up to 200 pounds. So we're all set up here. It spins nice and easy to back butter our tiles for full coverage. Let's get this floor installed. All right, this floor is complete. And absolutely, without a doubt, this Back Butter Buddy helped to speed up time. It surprised me. I didn't think I was going to use it that much. We use this on more than 90% of these tiles. It helped to speed up time. It helped to keep us nice and clean. An absolute must if you are a tile guy installing flooring or showers. Highly recommended. Awesome tool. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.